Now these pet brushes often need to be clean, especially again if you're picking up a lot of hair, you'll get it raveled around the brush roll in here, and sometimes even further inside the unit. It's very handy to be able to get inside these things. In our experience, these non-motorized ones tend to clog up a little easier than the motorized. Let's just run this non-motorized tool on some pet hair. See, it does a fairly good job, but when you look in here, you've got tons of pet hair to dig out. Now, you know, you can also get pet hair inside the tool, and indeed, it's quite likely in this case. Fortunately, and this is what you want. You want a tool you can just easily access. So in this case, this thing opens up. You can get your fingers in here quickly and easily. Actually, this whole brush roll comes out, and it can all be put back together. So it's important to be able to access a tool like this and get it cleaned properly.